Lai Châu province is still reeling from the aftermaths of the deadly flash floods, and per the figures as of 4 p.m. Saturday, at least 5 people had been killed, 4 remained missing, and 7 were injured after a powerful flash flood struck Mường Than Commune in northern Vietnam's Lai Châu province. Torrents carrying rocks, timber, and debris swept through the Nậm Sang fields and onto National Highway 32, damaging 29 homes, destroying more than 400 hectares of rice and other crops. Local authorities deployed hundreds of military personnel, police officers, and rescue workers to reach isolated areas, evacuate families from high-risk zones, and deliver essential supplies to affected households. The rescue teams continue to search for the missing while helping residents begin the recovery process.
Now, disaster response does not end with search and rescue. As the floodwaters recede in Mường Than Commune, another urgent phase begins, clearing mud, restoring roads, and helping families rebuild their lives. Recovery efforts are now underway to help residents return to normal as quickly as possible.
Lo Thị Huyen's entire home, garden and living space was badly damaged. The greatest relief for her family is that all her children are safe.
I saw the landslide coming down and covering everything. My children and I had no time to escape. They were trapped inside, but the soldiers arrived in time and pulled them out. Otherwise, I could have lost them.
The ground floor of Triệu Thị Sing's 2-story home was buried in mud, which reached as high as the staircase. Within moments, the flood swept away the family's belongings and years of savings.
Local authorities and the commune police came to help us. They cleared the mud and sand from our home and helped recover whatever belongings they could find inside.
Local authorities mobilized hundreds of officials, soldiers and residents to clear mud, remove fallen trees and clean up the affected areas. Volunteer groups also reached affected communities with food and other essential supplies, ensuring no one was left to face the aftermath alone.
The biggest challenge is that the road between the 2 affected areas remains blocked, making it difficult for response teams to move back and forth.
Authorities are also working urgently to clear landslides along National Highway 32 and 279, helping restore transport links and trade for local communities.